Every week, teams ask the same question. Are our OKRs actually on track or just looking good on a dashboard? Hi, I'm Rahul, and in this video, I'll show you how I built an end-to-end OKR variance monitoring system that automatically pulls data from Monday.com and Jira. Let's break down how this automation works step by step. Step 1. Daily OKR sync trigger. This node schedules the workflow to run automatically at a defined interval. Triggers daily or weekly based on your setup, ensures OKR tracking runs consistently without manual effort, acts as the entry point for the entire automation. Step 2. Fetch OKRs from Monday.com. This node retrieves all OKR items from the configured Monday.com board, pulls objectives and key results from a specific board and group, fetches raw column data for each KR, provides the base data for progress tracking. Step 3. Map Monday fields, standard KR schema. This node standardizes Monday.com column values into a clean structure, extracts objective name, target progress, thresholds, and owner email, converts column indexes into readable fields, prepares data for reliable downstream processing. Step 4. Split KR Epics Mapper. This node breaks each KR into multiple records based on linked Jira Epics, splits comma-separated epic keys, creates one KR epic pair per item, enables accurate progress calculation per epic. Step 5. Fetch Jira Epic details. This node fetches live epic data from Jira, retrieves epic status, assignee, dates, and summary, uses the epic key provided from Monday.com, brings real execution data into the workflow. Step 6. Normalize Jira response. This node cleans and flattens Jira's nested API response, extracts only required fields like status and assignee, removes unnecessary metadata, ensures a consistent structure for merging. Step 7. Join KR plus Epic Data SQL merge. This node merges Monday KR data with Jira Epic data, uses a left join strategy, combines target metrics with real execution status, produces a complete KR Epic dataset. Step 8. Compute KR progress and variance. This node calculates actual progress and variance, assigns weights to epic statuses, to do, in progress, done, calculates average actual progress per KR, determines variance and overall KR status. Step 9. Aggregate final results for reporting. This node aggregates all KR results into a single payload, groups all computed KRs together, prepares data for notifications and reports, simplifies Slack and email delivery. Step 10. Post Slack variance report. This node sends the OKR variance report to Slack, shows target versus actual progress, highlights variance and KR status, makes OKR health visible to the team instantly. Step 11. Email. Variance Digest. Outlook. This node emails a detailed OKR report to stakeholders, sends a formatted HTML summary, includes progress, variance, and ownership, useful for leadership and weekly reviews. And that's how this workflow continuously monitors OKR progress, calculates variance, and keeps everyone aligned automatically. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe.